All right. Today's date is June 24th, 2022. In Hall County, Texas, I call cause number 8130 in the interest of Delilah Trevino Chavez. What says the state?
State is present, ready, Your Honor.
All right. Present by audio and video is Lily Trevino. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present by audio and video is Gilbert Chavez. Are you ready, Mr. Chavez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you'll both listen carefully, Ms. Trump, go ahead and announce the agreement.
Thank you, Your Honor. The parties agree that they're going to be joint managing conservators. There was an acknowledgement of paternity in this case that established paternity. And the parties agree that Mr. Chavez has a duty to support and that he is the father of Delilah Trevino Chavez. The parties are, did I say they're joint managing conservators? And with us, Ms. Trevino is going to have the right to determine the residence without geographic restriction. The parties agree to put a standard possession order in the order, but they also live together. So they they co-parent, and Mr. Chavez helps out when he can, and they're planning to live together. So they've agreed to no child support, no current child support. Ms. Trevino is going to keep the child on the governmental medical assistance plan, and Mr. Chavez has agreed to pay $25 a month. But we are going to go ahead and start that on August 1st, 2022, so that he's starting a job, hopefully, and that will give him a chance to get started on that and not get behind.
Okay.
I believe that is it, Your Honor. I don't have my checklist.
Right. If there are any medical bills that the Medicaid doesn't cover, each of you will be responsible for half. And I'm not going to charge any court costs since you were able to reach this agreement. Let me ask you, Ms. Trevino, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chavez, is that what you're agreeing to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you think that it's good for Delilah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, then I'm approving the agreement. Ms. Trump is going to prepare that order for my signature, and I'm going to sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody could request a new hearing. If one of you does that, you get a new hearing in front of the district judge, Judge Messer, and he'd start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final. Can I see Delilah there? Oh, good morning. Good morning, little one. How are you?
She's been trying to be a part of this for all this time.
All right. Then you should get a copy of this order within about 2 weeks. If you don't get a copy, please call the Lubbock Rural AG's office and just remind them to send one to you. All right?
Okay.
Well, good luck to you and your family. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
Delilah, you have a nice day. All right.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you.
I had to ask him if he was over 18. I mean, he was like, I'm like, yeah, I thought he was older.